Hi, we're LymphaLock, a team of biomedical engineers that is developing a way to improve percutaneous lymphatic access in order to prevent needle dislodgement and extravasation during lymphangiography. If you've ever been sick with a bacterial or viral infection, you may have experienced swollen lymph nodes as a sign that your immune system is doing its job. Your lymph nodes are part of your lymphatic system, a network of organs, vessels, and nodes that circulate a fluid called lymph throughout your body. Sometimes, when a patient undergoes surgery on their head, neck, abdomen, or groin, the surgeon may accidentally damage a lymph node or vessel in the process. This can cause leakage and buildup of lymphatic fluid in the limbs or chest cavity, which is a serious complication. An interventional radiologist can perform a procedure called lymphangiography to locate the source of the leak for further treatment. Lymphangiography consists of 4 steps. First, the interventional radiologist uses ultrasound to find the lymph node under the skin. Then, contrast agent is injected into the lymph node using a long, narrow 25-gauge needle. Next, the contrast agent, which is visible under fluoroscopy imaging, diffuses up the lymphatic vessels to the site of the leak. This can take up to 4 hours. Finally, the interventional radiologist locates and attempts to patch or divert the leak. This takes us to our problem. The 25-gauge needle used for lymphangiography can easily slip out of place, causing extravasation or leakage of contrast agent into the surrounding tissue. Since moderate sedation is typically used instead of general anesthesia, the patient's movements tend to push the needle out of the lymph node. Each time the needle slips out, the interventional radiologist has to remove it and repeat the process of using ultrasound to access the lymph node. This can occur several times for one patient, prolonging the length of the procedure. In addition, leakage of contrast agent outside the lymph node can cause tissue damage, impacting patient recovery and making it difficult to perform potential repeat procedures. There are about 200 million patients per year that need lymphangiographies. About 22 to 36% of lymphangiographies fail, and it takes about $2,700 per hour to cover the cost of the procedure room, equipment, and medical personnel. Ultimately, lymphangiography failure can cause up to $780 million in healthcare costs per year. Interventional radiologists need a way to maintain stable access to the lymph nodes in order to prevent extravasation during lymphatic imaging and drug delivery procedures. This is where LymphaLock comes in. Our novel securement device emerges from the tip of the lymphangiography needle to anchor the needle in place for the duration of the procedure. The device will prevent the needle from being dislodged from the lymph node, from subjected to pushes, bumps, or movement by the patient. The interventional radiologist will be able to retract the device and easily remove the needle after the procedure. Although there are existing drug delivery and securement devices on the market, none of them address all aspects of the clinical need. Microneedles fail to deliver therapeutics directly to the lymph nodes and therefore do not integrate into the lymphangiography workflow. Catheter and IV securement devices are not engineered for lymphatic applications. LymphaLock's novel securement device meets all these needs, greatly improving efficiency and reducing complications of lymphangiography for better patient outcomes. Currently, we are in the prototyping and testing phase of our venture. Our next steps are to conduct further verification and validation testing in phantom models and later in animal models. Funding from business plan competitions will help offset the cost of materials, intellectual property filing, and regulatory compliance. We are fortunate to be advised by a team of clinicians and faculty mentors who provide expertise on the clinical need, patient population, prototype development, and market research. Finally, our team of 8 undergraduate biomedical engineering students is uniquely equipped to solve this need, given our diverse skill set in research, prototyping, computer-aided design, and project management. We're LymphaLock. Our solution for stable lymphatic access can help close the gap in lymphangiography failure rates and open the door for more convenient and accessible treatment for a wide range of diseases. By implementing our device in clinical practice, we hope to conserve hospital resources, improve the efficiency of lymphangiography procedures, and reduce complications for patients in need. Thank you for listening.